Welcome to my YouTube channel. A fresh transformation. Small bathroom deep makeover. Introducing a small bathroom can be a cozy oasis in your house, but sometimes it can feel compared and inspire. The good news is that you did not need a large button or perfect assistant to give your compact bathroom a fresh and stylish makeover with a letter create some below and a deep span. You can transfer your small bathroom into a space that a perfection aesthetically pleasing and tailored to be test plants and prepare but driver into your small bathroom makeover. Take some time to plants and prepare avalas that aspect of your bathroom brought you the more and decline on the charge your when to mark. Consider fantastic light, color, schedule, story, strange and light. Create a budget that account for mastering tool and any potential unforeseen cost. Fresh cope for paint. A new cope of, of paint can work wood in a small bathroom. Choose light and natural color to create a scene of opulence. Soft painting or shift to white, pink, or lights game can make a space feel more area to invited. Minimum storage in a small bathroom. Express story in key. Use the village space you are advanced by install storage to clubbed about to a tall and bright to wallet. Consider use open shelving to display the cover image by needing area tailor but in blocking to it. Update fixture and hardware. Update fixture and hardware can mark a small bathroom for die. Consider way out old feature drawing point Tomblow for more modern and stylish open. Add mirror. Mirror are a great trick to visual expand to small bathroom piece a large mirror about the valet, uh, allowing on well reflect light and creating a scene to drop. You can also consider middle clubbing door for a add touch of stylish and fantastically. Conclusion: transforming a small bathroom do not have to be a daunting task. With careful balancing, some creativity, and a bit dieting, you can excel and remarkable mark over that maximum space, style, and fantastic whether you choose a repoint the well update fictionally and incorporating better lights, your small bathroom well aspect and an